Yeah, this was really important. We knew that we needed to be inclusive of those most affected, those most at risk for serious COVID and death, in those that we enrolled in the trials. And that includes, of course, everyone knows older adults, but also minorities. Racial and ethnic minorities have a 3 to 4-fold higher risk of infection, of hospitalization, of death. And so when we began our campaigns to educate and engage and invite participation from communities, we went to Harlem and we talked to minorities. We did town hall meetings with African American churches and their members. Also, we had Spanish language town hall meetings with Spanish community-based organizations multiple times in different places around the city. In Brooklyn, we also placed our research clinics in the hospitals where we could access these populations, these communities where they would be trafficking. So we were at the VA for older adults and those with chronic conditions. We were at Bellevue, one of the large city hospitals in New York City that's very diverse, very international, many minorities. And same for Brooklyn, Long Island. So we planned our enrollments or our education engagement to ensure we had that enrollment that we needed. The reason that's so important has to do with the rollout of the vaccines, that once they're approved, we needed to be able to go to these highest risk communities and say, yes, the vaccine was studied in your community. Yes, minorities, older adults, ethnic minorities, racial, participated in the trials at a actually very high level, higher than we have seen in most clinical trials, in the range of 30 to 40% minority participation, for example, in the Pfizer trials, and in the other trials very close to that. And that's actually quite good. We're in a time when we're rebuilding trust in leadership, in government, in science. And so this will be a time of healing as well. And for minority communities, for those who are disaffected, we need to rebuild those ties. And it's really important for medicine, for science, for government to be reaching out to all of our communities, including minority communities who have rightful distrust of government based on past and ongoing inequity and lack of access. So this is a really important area, and I would encourage our students to be thinking about careers in science, in medicine, and in equity. These are going to be major, major areas, and tying all of those together as we go forward.